Yo, I'm Fish. I got a problem. Gonna share it to you. Make it very simple and short. After my render, the last 10 seconds of the video is ruined. I don't know what to do about it. Magix Movie Edit Pro Suite 2023 and a Lenovo 7i Yoga. It's been recently factory reset 100%. I tried taking everything off, reloading, last resort, factory reset again, reload softwares back on, and give it a try. What's over, or else move on to a better software. I tried other softwares, CapCut. I don't have that problem. I have resolved 18.5 on the machine. I try to use both these softwares, and I always go back to Magix. I guess because I find it very easy to use at times. I like the root system of Magix. Everything is up there. I don't have to add anything in. I want something easy to use that has it all. Motion tracking, blurring the face, blurring the background, and so forth. Magix doesn't have it. Power Director has it. CapCut has it. And CapCut, you could do text behind very easy by just taking a couple of steps and you're done. You try to do that in Magix, try to do it in Cyberlink. You could do a lot easier in Cyberlink than Magix. I have to remove everything from the front to the end. Oh yeah, man, just to get a washer and dryer in. And man, let me tell you, things don't get smaller, they get bigger, and my door don't change. Might as well ask you, post down below what software you use that makes your job easy to get it done when editing. I'd love to hear. Now, I got a lot of things to do. I gotta take a door off, and I hope I don't have to take the security door off. My harvest with tomatoes are just about over. I'm going to be cleaning them up. You got it, man. But my peppers, they still got some more to go. And I'm not sure if I'm going to take in my pepper plant, but I have to now think about my lemon. Clean that bad boy out, change out the soil to bring it on in soon. I just did a power, cycle. Oh, an accident happened here. I mean, I gave it some punch to the bicycle. I gotta go lube the chain again, get that noise out. If that noise don't go out, man, I don't know what to do. And on that note, I'm Fish. I gotta get back to what I have to do. I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot.